I think the future of development will be a hybrid approach between using AI to accelerate the boring tasks, visual development, and, writing a little bit of code yourself or, putting some notes manually together if you're using a node-based programming tool. Now, let me tell you how I am building an application. Now, I start out by building the database in Xano. I'm doing that manually, but I'm using Xano because it is a low-code platform to really set things up quickly, and I'm going to put Lambda functions in there whenever I need to extend the functionality with millions of NPM packages. Then I'm going to create the interface in NodeCraft. Now, I'm not going to build that by hand because I'm not insane and I'm not a friend of wasting time. I'm going to use an AI tool that I built exclusively for myself to build the interface in NodeCraft because it's quite, sad that they don't have a UI builder yet that is AI powered, even though they have plans for it. But I'm not going to build it manually. That's no, it takes way too long, and I rather prefer moving quick. So I'm going to have the wireframing. I'm going to have the interface being done by AI for me in NodeCraft. With the AI I build in NodeCraft, so it's fine. It's not vibe coding technically if you build the AI that's doing it. So so I got that set up. And then I'm going through the UI, I'm going through the design, I'm tuning it up, I'm changing the colors, I'm moving things to the side, I'm binding things to variables, all those kinds of things, right? I'm creating the variables to bind things to. And then once I have that set up, I'm going to start connecting the front end to the back end. I'm going to start creating workflows manually, and I'm thinking about them. Okay, how do I need to create them? I'm, working on state management. I'm working on authentication. I'm doing server-side redirects. I'm creating those. I'm thinking about those. I'm not having AI do those things, but I'm going to use AI to go over the biggest hurdle that I think is out there, which is building the UI. Because I don't know if you have that too, but I have this blank canvas anxiety when I start a new project and I look at a white screen. I don't know where to start. So AI helps me really go around that hurdle. So I have a hybrid approach of using low code, and then I'm also introducing some custom code on Xano and on the NodeCraft side, using a custom formula, a custom action whenever I need to bring certain third-party tools in there, like getting Xano WebSockets to work and all those kinds of things. So it's a really hybrid approach. I would say, because AI is a big part of it, interfaces, UI is a big part of it. I would say do 30% AI. I would do 50% no code, and I would do 20%, like code.